Welcome back to this version of Miss Max Academy. In this video, we are going to use inverse trig functions to find a missing angle in a right triangle. So let's take a moment. Let's circle the missing angle in question. This will help us easily identify the three sides of the right triangle. We know the hypotenuse is always across from the right angle. We also know that the circle encloses the hypotenuse and the side adjacent to the angle we're looking for. So we've identified the hypotenuse, we've identified the adjacent side. That means this side here must be the side opposite the angle. Notice there is no number or no variable on the hypotenuse, so we are not going to need that for this problem. Again, we have an acronym that helps us remember the three trig functions, sine, cosine, and tangent. Our acronym is SAW, sine is opposite over hypotenuse, CA, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, and TOA, SAW, CA, TOA, and tangent is opposite over adjacent. In this particular problem, we have an opposite side and an adjacent side. So which trig function are we going to use? Sine, cosine, or tangent? The answer to that question? Tangent. We're going to use tangent. But we're looking for an angle, not a side. So we're going to use our inverse tangent function. So angle x, let's call this angle x. Angle x is equal to tangent inverse, the side opposite, which is labeled as 3, divided by the side adjacent, which is labeled as 8. So angle x is equal to tangent inverse 3 divided by 8. So let's take out our calculator. Tangent inverse 3 divided by 8. And there we get x is equal to 20.6. So if we round it to the nearest whole number, x is approximately 21 degrees. That's it, folks. Tune in again for the next episode of Miss Max Academy.